is half soul, half rock and roll. Half my people just sold platinum or gold. About 30 years old and I'm still in here, and I still bring fear with my name up here. I am the DJs and the true MCs. I am the B-boys and graffiti. I am the epiphany of Ghetto Street Symphony. They mention me, a scapegoat with no identity. Frequently, many accuse me of indecency. Grown folks say I'm nothing more than obscenities. A remedy for poverty. As an outlet, I reflect on how loud the sound get. Writing riddles and I speak in bars. The result brings money, jewels, stars, and cars. While my heartbeat hum like an 808 drum. I told y'all where you at, not where you're from. This is my life. This is my life on wax. The life that I represent on CD. It's the life that you won't see on TV. This ain't hip hop, y'all. This is me. This is my life. And I rock on. And I rock on. What? This is my life. And I rock on. And I rock on. Where I live, it's always the place to be. When I speak, it's always through an MC. How I survive long, eating off break beats. When I need to hear, then my ear straight to the street. You can't hear my voice roll through the concrete. And if you're feeling the bass, then you're feeling me. I am what